So, may jet lag pa rin. I woke up late and then dinala namin si Puring kanina sa vet. So now, I'm on my way to Alabang to do some errands. Kasi I don't have much time this weekend. Namin gagawin. Haircut ako, derma. Para before mag-start ulit yung work week. Yeah. It's super windy today. Buti na lang kagabi kami dumating bago humangin ng ganito. So yung flight namin was actually good. Hindi siya ganong kahangin. Hindi siya ganong ka-turbulent. So yeah. But today, medyo wild yung hangin. Kasi may typhoon daw. Oh my gosh. Hindi ko alam kung narinig yung hangin. But yeah. Ganon kalakas. Wild. Oh my gosh. Grabe, I'm so sleepy. Trying to fight the jet lag. We're in Alabang town na. So, papalit muna ako ng money and then buy the food and do some other stuff pa. So, come with me. Char. So, I'm done with 2 errands I have to do. So, I have to pick up our lunch. And then, I'm thinking mag-coffee ba? Let's see. Pero I want coffee then para magising. Okay. So I'm done with my errands. I got na our food for lunch. I got coffee then from Harlan. Fairness, di na ganun katagal yung pila. And then nakapagpalit ako ng money, bili ng pods. So time to go home and rest. See you. So, for today, I'm on my way to BGC kasi magpapa-haircut tayo since sobrang haba na ng hair ko para bago mag-Monday, bago bumalik sa work na yung hair ko. So, haircut and then I'll get the lunch din namin. I'll order sa Din Tai Fung. Medyo nag-crave din. Tapos, yun. Then, whole day, pahinga lang. Kasi, ang aga ko nagising kanina, 3 a.m. My gosh. Jet lag. We're here in that alley. Done with my haircut. So, I'm on my way to Din Tai Fung to get the food. Then, uwi na. Kasi, naantok na ako. Goods secured. Excited to eat. Okay, so I got everything. Time to go home. So I got coffee then while it's here. And of course, our lunch. So, medyo nagugutom na rin ako. It's almost 12.
Now stay there.
Go inside na. Go inside na. Sige na. Go inside na. Sige na.
Go
I
inside,
know. Inside na.
Huli.
No. Go inside.
Okay.
White kids listen to you, cause they been some guilt, and that's how your soul gets fulfilled. Handing out turkeys on camera inside of your hood, then you go back to the hill. Show me how to feel again.
Okay, so I'm here na in Makati, man. So, sakto lang. Kasi I can take my blood test by 6 a.m. So, I have 10 minutes to register blood test. Then, I have to do urinalysis pa. But yeah, let's see kung ano ginawa ng roadshow sa aking sugar and cholesterol. Okay, so we're back sa condo. I passed by pala kanina sa Jollibee kasi na-miss ko din yung breakfast nila. We eat din naman Jollibee sa UK. Yung chicken nila is actually good. Ang lalaki. Pero yung breakfast nila dito sa Jollibee, sa Philippines, yung na-miss ko. So, nagdaan ako dyan. Suspense naman to. So how long? 1 hour. Wow, traffic today. Usually kasi from East Bay to Makati, mga ano lang siya, 45 to 50 minutes. But now it's like 1 hour and 1 minute now. So, drive muna ako.
Fifi!
What were you doing, Mama? Stuff?
Wala daw aircon! Sabi niya wala daw aircon.
Alpha, show us your puwet.
Show us your butt. Show them your butthole. Momo! Show them your poknat.
Your poknat.
Poknat! Wow, poknat.
Okay, so on my way home, grabe. Sobrang long day today. Back-to-back meetings and preparations and everything. Yeah, busy lang din kasi we have our next upcoming trip na end of July. Kaya ang daming ginagawa. So now I'm on my way home. Sana hindi traffic. Kanina grabe, parang it took me mga 1.5 hours to go here in Makati from East Bay. Usually it takes me mga 15 minutes, ganun lang. Sana hindi na please, hindi na traffic. Finally, the condo. Fairness, less than an hour lang yung drive. Pero naantok na ako. But I can't wait to watch Netflix tonight. Where's the baby boy? Wow, hello. Hello, our cutie boy. How are you? Huh? How are you? Huh? Makulit ka pa rin? Namimiss mo na yung bed, no? Onti pa, Bolin, ha? Wait pa na onti, ha? Go inside your room na.
Go inside your room.
Sige na.
I know, sir. Tingnan ko. Okay.
Wow, so first time walang ibang tao sa gym. Okay, so today I'm on my way to saan nga ba? Makati Med. Sa Makati Med for my quarterly check-up sa doctor. Kasi nagpa-blood test ako, diba, a few days ago. So, para malaman natin kung ano ba nangyari. Pero feeling ko yung sugar ko, ganun pa rin mataas pa rin. It's your fault, Pat. Wala lang. So, yun. Sana hindi ganun ka-traffic kasi for the past 2 days, grabe. Parang, I think, 1.5 hours ako every day since Monday. Ang dami kasing ginagawa ata sa EDSA. Yung sidewalk. So, kinuklose na lang ibang lane, ganyan. So, ang traffic sobra. So, if I were you, either leave super early or mag-ibang route kayo. Baka much better na mag-Skyway. Ako kasi nag-SLEX lang. Okay. I'll drive first. Okay. On my way home, finally. So, kanina I just had lunch with my mom. Nagkita kasi kami sa Makati Med. Nagpa-check up din siya. Grabe. So, okay naman daw yung results ko. Except for my thyroid. So, may bagong medicine tayong iinumin for today's video. Okay, sige, I'll drive first. Go na. Okay, so finally we're back home. Now, where are my stops? Wait to relax today. So sabi sa akin ng doctor, I need to drink more water. So kailangan natin mag-water. Okay. Okay, so today, dadala namin si Bolin sa vet for a follow-up check-up and hopefully, pwede nang tanggalan yung mga tahi niya. 2 weeks na siya nakakukon, so kawawa naman. So, praying. So now, I'm on my way back to the room. We'll prepare lang, tapos nadala na namin siya. Bolin. No, stay there.
はい。やってみてほしい。
よかったらおしゃべりしませんか？
Takot ng daddy.
嫌だな。そんなに警戒しないでくださいよ。